Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong Solitaire by yourself. This engaging puzzle game uses a standard set of 144 Mahjong tiles. Your primary objective is to clear the entire board by finding and removing all identical pairs. Remember, a tile is only available if it is not covered by another tile and has at least one of its long sides completely open. Many layouts feature up to 5 layers of tiles, adding to the challenge. Understanding the tiles is key to success. The 144 tiles are divided into several categories. You'll find 3 suits, bamboo, characters, and dots, each containing 4 copies of numbers 1 through 9. Additionally, there are dragon tiles, red, green, and white, with 4 copies of each. The wind tiles, east, south, west, and north, also have 4 copies. Finally, the unique flower and season tiles can be matched with any other tile from their respective groups. To begin, you'll arrange all 144 tiles into a specific pattern. The turtle or pyramid layout is the most widely recognized and played. When starting, always prioritize removing tiles from the top and the open sides of the layout. It's crucial to think several moves ahead to prevent inadvertently blocking essential tiles. A good strategy is to focus on pairs that will free up the largest number of other tiles, opening up more possibilities for future moves. To improve your chances of winning, always prioritize removing pairs that unblock other tiles, especially those in the lower layers or center. Try to avoid making moves that leave you with no available pairs, as this will end your game prematurely. If you find yourself stuck, take a moment to mentally backtrack and look for any missed opportunities. Many digital versions offer helpful features like a shuffle or hint option. Consistent practice will significantly enhance your pattern recognition and strategic thinking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.